Hello everyone. So today topic is days in Korean. I just want to inform you that our next lesson will be about making an appointment in Korean language. So before that you have to know about the days in Korean so that you can make an appointment and you can confirm the appointment with your colleague, with your boss, with your friend as well. So we are going to study about days. So first of all, day. Day is yoil. Yoil in Korean. When we talk about a particular day, for example, Wednesday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, in that case, day is yoil. For example, in India, we had 7 days: Somvar, Mangalvar, Budvar. So, var is yoil in war is yoil. So like that, day is yoil when we talk about particular day, and day is also ill. But when we talk about number of days, for like it's 5th day of February, it's 12th day of November, it's 10th day of March, 10th day of March, and we talk about date. So in that case we will put ill word as a day. But here we are going to study about Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So in that case we will use yo ill. Just note it down. This is the basic difference between ill and yo ill. So before starting Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, I would like to inform three another words, that is today, tomorrow and yesterday. So what is today in Korean? Onel. Onel. And what is tomorrow? Nail. Nail. And what is yesterday? OJ. OJ. Repeat after me. Today, Onel. Tomorrow, nail. Yesterday, OJ. Once again, Onel, nail, OJ. Got my point? So next we will study about our 7 days in Korean. So first of all, I would like to inform you that the 7 days, 7 words comes from the 7 unique species that you can see. So let's study with Sunday. Ilyoil. Ilyoil. I told you here we are going to talk about a particular day. For example, which day? Friday or Saturday? In that case, yoil is day. Il means Sunday. Ilyoil become Sunday. So Ilyoil basically comes the another meaning is sun. Sun. So let's study Monday. Monday is Voryoil. Voryoil. Vor is basically moon. Vor is moon in Korean. So it comes from moon. Voryoil. Next is Tuesday. Wayoil. Wayoil. And as you can see, Y is fire in Korean. What is fire? Wa. And wa, fire. So Tuesday is Wayoil. Tuesday is Wayoil. Wednesday, Suyoil. Suyoil. Su is basically water in Korean. So Wednesday is Suyoil. Thursday, Mokyoil. Mokyoil. Mok is wood and tree basically in Korean. It is not mock. Mock. You just have to understand between the mock and mock. Mock is mokda, to eat, but that is different, and it is mock. It is not mock. It is mock. So mokyoil means Thursday. Friday, Gumyoil. Gumyoil means gold. Gum is gold in Korean. So Friday is Gumyoil. Gumyoil. Next is Saturday. Thoyoil. Thoyoil. And what is Tho? Earth. What is Tho in Korean? Earth. So Repeat after me from the very start. Very first point, that is Sunday, ilyoil, Monday, wuryoil, Tuesday, wyoil, Wednesday, suyoil, Thursday, mokyoil, Friday, gumyoil, Saturday, thoyoil. Once again, ilyoil, wuryoil, wyoil, suyoil, mokyoil, gumyoil, thoyoil. Got my point? So let's take an example for your better understanding. Review. For example, A asks, when you are free, and B revert suyoil means Wednesday. I am free on Wednesday. Suyoil. Or for example, another question that A had put is, when is your day off? And you have to tell him or her that Sunday is my day off. So what is Sunday? Ilyoil. Ilyoil. Let's take another example. For example, A asked, what day is today? What day is today? So what day is today? Gumyoil means today is Friday. Today is Friday. So repeat after me from the first point. When you are free, suyoil. When is your day off? Ilyoil. What day is today? Gumyoil. So this is all about days in Korean. Next we will study about how to make appointment with your colleague and how to make an appointment with your friend, and you have to hang out with your friend but you are little busy, so you have to communicate and tell them when you are free and when you are busy, and you have to decide place where to meet and what time. You had studied all about just to make an appointment, you have to make an appointment, and I'll inform you how to make an appointment. Before that, just thank you so much for watching, and your next target is make your weekly schedule. So what day is your day if when you are free, and what you will do in your all the 6 and 7 days, Monday, Tuesday. So just make your weekly schedule in Korean. Thank you so much guys. I'll be there soon in my next video, and that will be about making an appointment.